What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Someone asked me what I'm going to do with the prototype that I built to get me started with the welding skid, and this is my prototype. As you see, the one that I actually designed first. I honestly, to be honest with you, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna put it inside my store to be able to just display how I started and what got me into the position that I'm in. So I feel like, when you do certain things, always keep your original beginning. Something you can always fall back to. And honestly, I think it's good to reflect on it because it can help bring you out the slump sometime when you just look at something like, man, you remember when you was there? You remember how you thought you weren't gonna make it out of that situation, and now you out of it doing good in another situation, facing a different obstacle, because that's what life is. We're always facing something. Hold on.